Hey guys, since you know that I traveled to Delhi last weekend, I have this video for you. This is just the one nursery that I could visit in Delhi because of the time constraint. So this is the Greenways nursery in Delhi that I could visit, and there are quite a few indoor and outdoor plants here and a few succulents as well. So the winner for the month of September is Tejas Gowda. Congratulations. Please send us an email at geeksofgreen@gmail.com. As you all know about our monthly giveaways, this month's giveaway has been sponsored by the Beige Bag. Go check out their website. I will leave the links in the description down below. You can win these two beautiful jute planters and this lovely rug. And do participate. I'll put the rules in the description as well. This is the Greenways nursery located at Dera Village, Dera Mandi, New Delhi. It is quite a big nursery and they claim to be the biggest nursery in North India. It is spread across 6 acres and they seem to have quite a collection of plants. They have a lot of things and stuff for outdoor landscaping that you can put in your gardens if you have a backyard or a front yard that you want to decorate. They have a lot of things like these benches or sculptures, big trees, shrubs, and they also have water features and topiaries. And everything is laid out so beautifully so that you can easily pick what you want to decorate your garden with. What I really liked here is they also have these beautiful carved out pots that are made from stone. There are a lot of plants here and many of these plants I couldn't get the prices of, but the ones that I could trust the nursery wala, I have put the prices all on. So please bear with me that I didn't get the prices of all the plants here. Smaller plants like the coleus or the geraniums, the coxcomb, they were all below 100 rupees. I also like these small enclosures that they had set up for pots and gardening tools and things like that. They were very clearly labelled and it's very easy to navigate through this nursery, find your way through this nursery. This area had a setup of a variety of fiber pots and ceramic pots. The nursery owners had taken extra efforts to beautify the place with water features and a little brook with a little bridge, so it made it look very interesting. I especially fell in love with this Black Magic Alocasia. Sadly, it was not for sale, others had definitely picked it up. And there's a lot of hydrocotyle growing underneath it, so it looked really magical. There were more enclosures that had more pots, bigger size pots. this here was the succulent section, though it was not very big. There were quite a few interesting succulents like the string of pearls, the variegated string of pearls, which was just being sold for 100 rupees, and I was so thrilled to pick it up. Then there were many other succulents and poinsettias also within the same enclosure. Those of you who have been regularly seeing my videos know how much I enjoy rearranging my home. Right from painting our home by ourselves to creating fun decor setups. It took me some time to achieve the right design style that I believe in and style my home around. It is a process that has evolved over time. Once again, Skillshare has helped me in this journey, and so I thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video too. I had taken a Skillshare original class by Emily Henderson on Style Your Space, creative tips and techniques for interior design. Here I learned about color and proportion principles, deciding and sticking to my color palette, sourcing decor pieces that I really love, and a lot more. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen some of the decor setups that I made keeping these principles in mind. I feel this is a great learning platform and love exploring new classes on it. At Skillshare, you will often find newly launched classes that are curated by industry leaders. As you browse through their classes, you are sure to develop and hone your skills and develop new ones just like I did. Also, because they place a high emphasis on learning, you will never find any distracting ads here. They also have some wonderful classes on gardening that you should check out. So how this works is you buy an annual subscription for less than rupees 2000, which comes to less than rupees 166 per month. For that amount, you get access to each and every class available on Skillshare. That is cheaper than buying a money plant. To me, that's a whole lot of learning for a little amount. So if this has inspired you and you need a push to explore something new, I have good news for you. The first 1000 people who use the link given in the description below get a 1 month free trial access to Skillshare to explore the platform. So we're entering an enclosure where I can see a lot of aroids. So I'm really excited. Wow. This place is really beautiful. See, this is the kind of light these aroids are doing very well in. I take it near these plants. It's around 15 to 16,000 lux, and that's the kind of light aroids actually need. It's not direct because there's a shade cloth right on top. It's a black shade cloth. I don't know how much percent, but it's blocking most of the harsh light. But the plants are getting a lot of light. So when we talk about shade, this is how much light plants should get. So lux meters don't lie. Download an app and check the light on your plants. A lot of common aroids like aglaonemas and crotons were all there, different sizes for different prices. So the smaller ones were cheaper, within 200 rupees, and the larger plants even went to 1500 to 2500 and more. There was an interesting collection of crotons, large variety, different shaped leaves, and interesting patterns. I really apologize as I couldn't get all the prices for you guys because it was very difficult to locate the helpers and ask them the prices. All in all, this section was my favorite because it had a lot of indoor plants, a lot of shade-loving plants that I usually keep in my balcony. And the plants were healthy, and the leaves of these plants, like the Hedraceum or the Epipremnumorium, were all really large and very healthy. In the space, the feeling was really great, surrounded by such a large variety of plants. The smaller Calathea varieties were for 250 to 350 and even going up to 400, 450. And the really large ones were going up to 850 also. So the prices varied on the size of the plant. Every plant was available in smaller sizes as well as really large sizes. So please keep that in mind when you use my video as a reference for prices. Do not demand from the nursery owners the same prices, because prices are always subject to change based on the size of the plant, the health of the plant, and the demand that the plant is in. The lipstick aglaonema and the cutlass aglaonema in smaller sizes were available for 350 rupees. There were many varieties of philodendrons, smaller hybrids, new hybrids, which I don't know all the names of. So if you have the patience to grow your plant into a bigger plant at your place, always go for the smaller ones, which were much cheaper than the larger ones. But if you're not that patient and you want to own a big plant, then there were many options for that as well. What excited me most was there were a few species of adianthums, and I did pick up one, which for 650, which was really pretty with fine leaves. I really don't know which one it is, but I've seen it for the first time in a nursery, so I'm very happy about it. There was this huge Anthurium hookeri, but Anthurium hookeris tend to get their leaves damaged very easily. So this one was pretty damaged. It's a very hardy plant, but the leaves get really damaged. Nice lush pots of ZZ Raven also was available for 850 rupees, which is a good price, I believe. This nursery was really vast and I couldn't shoot every section in detail. So I really wanted to see the water plants and the aquatic section in detail, but I couldn't do that. They also sold a lot of pets like lovebirds and rabbits and pigeons, which were really cute. I hope you really liked this video. If you did like it, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It takes just a second to hit the like button and it does so much for us, for our channel on YouTube. So please do that, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe as well if you like green content. Do go and check out our store as well, because we've been putting a lot of new products up there. And not only that, we are coming up with a lot of more exciting merchandise and designs just for you guys. So keep yourself tuned to the store and keep your eyes open for new products.